right, in this video, we're going to talk about some improvements to mass editing of items. So when you choose multiple items, we took out some of the buttons and moved them to just a menu drop-down. And you'll see where it says Update Items. This will update any of the items that you've selected. So you can, for example, toggle the e-commerce option for those items. So you can set the item as e-commerce or set as not e-commerce. The second option is to toggle your serialized. So you can make sure that the items that you select are serialized by just set as serialized, or you can mark them as non-serialized. You can also change the category. So what you can do is you can select from your list of categories and just change the category that the items are in. And finally, you can also, well, actually before finally, you can change the type for those items. And if you start typing in type, change it to whatever type you type in there. And finally, your attributes. So you can actually add attributes to multiple items at once, and you can also set the value for those attributes, multiple values for an attribute if you want to. And again, once you hit save, it will apply to all of the items that you've selected. So just mass editing item information made a little easier by providing those options. Thank you for watching this video.